Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am thrilled you are here today because we are talking about a screen that is about to transform your living room into a private cinema, the Sony 77-inch OLED TV. If you are ready to say goodbye to washed out colors and hello to breathtaking visuals that make every movie feel like a premiere, this one is your ticket to immersive entertainment. Picture diving into action scenes with perfect blacks and vibrant explosions, or cheering sports with buttery motion, all on a massive display that fits your wall like it was made for it. No more squinting at small screens or dealing with glare. This pro-grade OLED turns family nights into blockbuster events. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Sony 77-inch OLED deserves center stage in your home. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us jump into the features of this visual masterpiece. First off, the screen is a stunning 77 inches of OLED perfection with 4K Ultra HD resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels, delivering over 8 million self-lit pixels for infinite contrast and over 1 billion colors that pop. The WRGB OLED panel means true blacks with no light bleed and peak brightness of around 1000 nits for HDR scenes that shine in any light. The brain is the cognitive processor XR, Sony's AI wizard that upscales non-4K content to near-native quality, analyzing scenes for sharper details and natural colors. It supports Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG for dynamic range that makes sunsets glow and shadows deep. MotionFlow XR Pro handles up to 120Hz refresh rate with low lag, ideal for sports or gaming. Gaming is a highlight with two HDMI 2.1 ports for 4K at 120Hz, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and PlayStation 5 optimized features like auto HDR tone mapping. Acoustic Surface Audio Plus uses the screen itself as a speaker for 60 watts of sound that vibrates with the action, supporting Dolby Atmos and DTS for immersive audio. Netflix calibrated mode tunes for streaming accuracy. Smart features run on Google TV, with voice search via Google Assistant, Alexa, or Apple AirPlay, and Chromecast built in. It has ambient optimization to adjust for room light and a slim, bezel-less design at 68 inches wide by 42 inches tall, weighing about 55 pounds, with VESA 300 by 300 mounts. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, 3 USB ports, and Ethernet. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and Sony's build quality shines. Price is around $2,500, a premium but worthy investment. Okay, now for the real talk, pros and cons after binge-watching movies and games. Pros first. Number 1, the picture is breathtaking, with OLED blacks and colors that make every scene alive. Number 2, the cognitive processor upscales cable TV to look stunning. Number 3, gaming is smooth at 120Hz with no tearing. Number 4, Google TV is intuitive with fast apps and voice control. Number 5, audio vibrates the screen for cinema sound. Number 6, the 77-inch size immerses you fully. Overall, it elevates viewing to pro levels. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $2,500 price is steep for budget buyers. 2, it is heavy at 55 pounds, needing help for mounting. 3, brightness is good but not the brightest for super sunny rooms. 4, the remote is basic, no backlighting. 5, no built-in tuner for cable. 6, some apps lag on launch. But here's the truth, the pros outweigh the cons for most. If you have space for 77 inches, love movies or games, and want lasting quality, this makes perfect sense. Not for small rooms or tight budgets, but for immersive entertainment, it is a yes. So my recommendation, bring the Sony 77-inch OLED TV home today. It turns ordinary screens into extraordinary escapes. Click that referral link in the description to snag it on Amazon, and you will get the best pricing plus special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your setup will shine. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more tech treats and click the link to support us. What is your first watch? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like the video, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.